Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
Akuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Ewie isu ya tenase bia busuafo mu nyina akwa ba radio kro nso chipo ba ko eso medindi kwame ohini da ko metals fo nyina mranten D boy resu the power one yeba sore so agise nunum ne fa atimi abo yeba didwa ebo nwumbe kansempa na yedi fufuro betum revelation donzi ya tenase wabre ose wabre pop Anso be mi enania se na be fa kutia line e be koyanim pasolo ebeba bella ebeba ziki esete akire boguma abrama maso ma na kwa ba we kam nsam ene Christiana Chu ensamato no ama mood no ofam kakra ai eno na na ma chire nsem mu enti se Ronaldo ena sha asase kama this time sane be ya na ka Messi ena sha asase ane me ka omo se me boa oh ya tu funu wo baabi ya dwunie ma bi so agu e ba ko yen cha hwe nsam mu ene oh me freshman be ba say hello you ura ke bi ko fi aso ba for church and someone say your famra awie madikaka atwuni ma na mama yedi nanso yede mpabo ni gidie tachire sadie nyina betimi akonkan kama yeso dwumadi so no hwo so nyankopon kwan se betin sempa teacher for lawyer for carpenter for mason for emofra ya gi musika na secondary school kwa yenya baby amfa montre ya trase wi ya mamo ama mpagini nyina akwa abo welcome with the Lord akwa on la rive welcome with the Lord Aquaba Bon Arrive.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Akuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. are blazing. Okumaini, Epiani, Ekramuche.
Nyanka mesa me pata, the rata me say yo, mi oje no me kwa. Why you make up your rata? Why you mean every asiamu? Why you mean your pretty someone? And just sit up and cry. Now me from tell me Rio, tell me Kutu, tell me now for more. Why you make up you over rate? Mama, what I'm for in a streaming. Mama, one of our cheesy. And just in the bank cry. Nami from tell me real. Tell me good to
Okuma Radio 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Atumaya sama erati eshiraya sama Kristo binyami wana mobro ya sama erati ewu baba ene mwakamyo ayuda wana adraye ya sama erati ewu baba ene mwakamyo ayuda Adumaya sama erati eshiraya sama erati ona mobro aya sama erati sewu baba ene mwakando ayuda ona tumi aya sama Jesus sewu baba ene mwakando
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Adumaya sama erati eshiraya sama Jesus binyami ona mobro ya sama erati sewu baba ene mwakamyo ayuda
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Unjumeni nadawasu
What is so sorrow? Chidi fube, Boma kanse, Uni otum funya kopo. Chidi fube, Boma kanse. Oni otum funya kubo wonju meni nada wasi.
Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1.
What is so wonju meni nada wasi. Wow, what is sorrow? Wow, what is so sorrow? Chide foba, boma kase. Oh, oni oti foya gopo. Chide foba, boma kase. Onyamie wone otu fonya obi ambo onyamio jege foba.
Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1.
Wone otu fonya kopo jege foba. Oma kase onyamie wone otu fonya.
On Common Radio 97.1. On Common Radio 97.1.
Enya awufo ne beyi awurade aye na enya won a wosane kokom ye mu biara na yende ye besura awurade afri ne
Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1. Hey. Station Radio Man Kenya on Common Radio 97.1. Common Radio 97.1. On Common Radio 97.1.
Mekira chi awurade aye ni wo ho yi meje awurade
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. On Common Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Bibi biara wa sabe kasa wuya.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Jumani atene. Nyansa ni ntia. Ni asama kwa yaro.
Okuma ini, yedieni, yekramuche.
Bidia. Sawu sadu ni nara.
We are blazing. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Understanding. And verse 6 says, in all your ways, acknowledge him, and he shall direct your
Matthew Sampanese. For what woman you know? What do you know? And if you know, you are what you know. Some of worship. Praise him. And you want to say, Fancy, baby, but the beauty. Then the grass sorry for the sorry, a jam woman in the one was sorry in the sun of the chat.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma ini, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hallelujah.
Okuma Radio 97.1. station where the man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah, Miss Sanami Fata. When I will go, I so much. I'm a name of someone Samafata. I'm a father with you.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
I swam in the end this one, you're pointing in a face. What's some mommy and I see a body as a crown park.
Station where the man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hey. New Jesus Christ. Papa, when you baby to me, Yabido, and I watch your mark and you know, mammy. I will be watching in a fitness. And I was you. I'm playing now. I'm watching your mark and you know, mammy. I will be watching in a fitness. New Jesus Christ.
Station where the man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1.
When you baby to me, Yabido, and I want your mark and you know, I will be watching in every mess. And I want you again, and you know, about when you are.
Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. Okuma Radio.
Awie yempai bonyina ne da ya nwumtuoi yempai bonyina yempai ba yebo ema yenua bema Christian Achu ane da ya nwumtuoi abusua asase wo hyew ane futuro ni ntuturo ni ade yebo awurade mpaye se awura na nkasa ma nsa so awurade ma nsa so ebi so na wo so atorenchem bi ato awie ye do ko theater uko face operation bi wo so yini na ade nyina so no ye na tumi nyina kura ne nsem no yesra awura no yesra so yini da sebre no ma won hwa bibi man panyifo da bi na won hwa bre ni atete ayenua no ne ye man tu kwanko bobor na wo fam my quotation be at any ziggy miraho. Turkey, gold, diamond, wire, manganese, name it, rosewood, anyamede dum, abibi mane Ghana mai, anyina chiro, ye ligia enko yenti, just or the seni two coin, go Turkey, Bobor Shego, na adanya se adwiri agu ne so. Because I said Papa Bia, your friend Papa ni aka bra atruba bobo brasta kakra what you need Ghana's mercy oh awurade awie yesrew ye ogidie wo mu wo de ni apratetia seipo no utumi man kwapam ba bia Christian atwo owura osuru ni asase ya wodia What's something your Judy no so I won't pour with Penyankwa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I would have my own sasso. Well, would a patch out. Ghana, dear, would try yen, Miss Wooden. A 2 year deal soon from here, them now by years. Shall be America. I be my own. When your group will be dear, when you pop. Football keke. You managing ye. Your prayers yen too kind. And the Ghana, you know, Upia Bontia, Ghana, you know, Temudin. You did say yes to Dimo and Kwabeba. And when you mean your channel, you better Christina Chunka. I did back when I'm soon and the men coming from him. So I did back. I did men coming from him. Numbers chapter 11. Numeri etedu bako. Ejichem enum. Numeri etedu bako. Sramu adamen kanu brofo. We remember the fish which we did eat in Egypt. Egypt in Turkey. Egypt in Africa. Freely. The cucumbers and the melons and the leeks and the onion and the garlics. Almost free. Etika yen to onion ibi kura fire board ye na ye mrant yen to akwan anko but Turkish league ni ade. Yen to ye diamond ibi. When we say Donzi, when we say bra Egypt for Israel for Egypt no, oyankopon ka cha mo say monko Egypt for no monko je sika agudie. When you yankopon de adom yen. E ba ne sei twature nchema kwato onua ba mai. Mame awie ye pege nyame ama ye nua ba ma no se wura Kristo man nsaso when you kasa enkwaje eba 30-year-old gentleman say ene asase adwiri earthquake ama Christian atwe se miracle shego ye wura ma nsaso me se yaja wosoro ne pa bi aka se na fa enfum so cheyen se ne de che won ne de yaka abibi fo mpanyifo mo de yaka Oshani ma ya wo e ya bibi mamu a anka osa abrofo no kwa ne tu kwan ebedi etwa ha wo mboboro ha danka ya tuo mu ka na mo yande edi adane wo hwe baakofo ne ka wo dam ne fie eyire nom ne mprafo ne ade na mrantie boboro Hatum Sudan South Korea wo mo eni fam agudie wo mo ni gold ni dam ni wayire na ye player baakopa awurade ana madiki aka ne se Ronaldo ana atorencham to no a se Messi ana atorencham to no a kabati BBC go mon kan kitwa bi ka Jazira kan kitwa bi o mon kan kitwa bi na akoma so de akwa akire nti wa mutie ye me say se owura Kristo e wa hoden wo tumi won odom nyina kura no won pagya ne nsa awie ye man di so ahyere no nyam se ensanche ne nyina ya ne dia wonya bi ma Christian atwu ne bi nka Ghana man e bi nka bibi man na wa wutie mi so ewrade sanche ne nkan e bi yare bi da so e bi okwa atiti oha bi mu na wonam awie wo pagya wani ento obi anim owura na wo man nsa so na wo poni asroche tadi no wo man nsa so awurade ma won saso wa Ghana so ma won saso wa bibi man so ma won saso e wo ye krom ma won saso ye fiduam ya dwuma mi ma won saso awurade kasa na wo tumi no je no wanu wanyam awurade ye biribi owura ye biribi Ghana ma ka bibi man Kayefie 2023 bosome to so mienu yewura mu nie na me say wona mafidie bi mu na wo bi mu Bible say yedo I walk through the valley of the shadow of death I will fear no evil for thou art with us bunyame kan ye ho be kana wan wade a kire wo bedi nkonim ani mere ngu asida awie yi awie be gina wona so awie be sia ko anim awie be di nkonim wate Lazarus we no pa kwa nyankwa dia sa onyame na ne da so sum no obekasa me say ade ba ko pe na misro enra date no ene ene de ene bosumi ayewu mu no ene pe na misro menya mu cheche mu akyerew me de kwa me hin da kometa ne fo nyina amrante hene awie ya sori osoro hene na wie hina no nyam ye pagya ne sanse nkyane onhwe so mo ho ban a hore masem wonyu fi atore nkyemu se musuo bi da wani mu a Yehowa no ma na bofo mehwimu onyame agya oba na susu kronkrodim adom nti amen.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Alcoa Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. We are blazing. Official party station for 2023 and beyond. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. station with your man Kenya on Kuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Kuma Radio 97.1.
Masama College, if it's a Kuntura, that George, Nejana, it's too easy. Mafu Chawari, Siarini, Debbie Terambara, Mwaswaba, Echo to Bobo, and another food, Officity Echo to Baba, and another one day. Oh, Sa, what my you? I can't on the party world. Sa, what my you? I can't
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akropoma Kapim on Kuma Radio 97.1. The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Mama suya ni no abna e ebo masemio ebo masemio fose ba oh masemio oh masemio
Akoma Radio Akoma Kapim Akoma Radio 97.1.
Ayame Adelaide Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Mini Okumang Radio in Shenim. Me wireless the Bia no po, a yo, and the phone, a document. It is somewhere with your comment na so be a deal hawk, me what in some pack, Madame say.
Abrama Maneka say, Mommy's joint back up a man for a kufu road, Okumang Radio. Oh, my champion, what? Okuman from my bank and you, Kenya cry, must say that ya. Minimum rock cry, no poor you and a drew. There soon be a tear when it's size what.
Akoma Radio.
Mama suya ni no abna ebo masemio
Akropoma Kapim Akoma Radio 97.1. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Akoma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Hey, station with your man Kenya on Kuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Akoma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. With your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Your friend me Grace, Okuma Radio, you are the best, number one. Apara Mountain, so chedi count for Yenshia Moa, and Kebebe, and Ruta, we are fantastic.
What is someone in us? Would be again,
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma ini, Ebiani, Yekramuche. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1. Germany, Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Donzi, mama nkwane say na menchi opanyi ba ko okwo. We kwa ni a very sound businessman. Opanyi kwa me wade. Papa, chewa wie papa. Mabati wanim. Meba ababati wanim kama esro kra. Ani sa me koba na eba se mu odun tina soto Donzi na correct na de nyina kama hi papa nkwa ye de asemenia mi job enkumo enkoye business achama me Donzi oh debi amanfo oja okrom ha amanfo oja papa eh wo mo oja no wo mo nye dede o yese ahinepa enkasa good beast doesn't rattle. Good beast. Aine pankasa. Woo! Yeura Peter Esiedu, aka Akiola. Boss, director. Sheubie. Dr. Professor Opoku Benson. Boss, director. Sheubie. Yeura Confiance on behalf for KB. Boss, director. Sheubie. Ziggy B. Boss director, oh you know they are two, so one of they are two ziggy so Donzi so. I share Donzi ni design there. Dano bobo na o chobde to say me yama sheme. Say me yama sheme. Hello. Minya roko wa. Hey. Minya roko min chake. Honorable Haruna Adrisu, present sir. Honorable Mutaka, present sir. Speaker of Parliament, present sir. Jackie Bio. Nana Kwapini, Nana, present sir. Asantini, present sir. Ebrahini, present sir. Nana Latahini, present sir. I Bobo, absent sir. Na memra mabahima ewo amanfo present sir menko agomanya solo wafaya wa buntem salo sujudie hana borishemu yewura saminfum vie o afe kwamosofo no Osi anko Zami babe Abraham, President Sir, Emakwaba. Abraham, I saw a tram team. Hello, Mommy's joint. Welcome. Woo! Bang. Oh, yeah, dang. Yes, Parliament Sport, I see, yes, sir. Yaro, I see my bar. Baba no wala teno Baba Mama Krofa Obakonoma abuatu edem eleme akasimansia na sports mranten betnase na enepa de bema na bema ntira yenua bema ha achu abon ball ewo Turkey Hataya Sport si atrenchen bi asi ho no mo a Soloba bodomasuko na eya mema Revelations bi womo nchifi okuapemamu a womo bom ho adwa so wo Ghana ha so wo movie industry so wo radio mu so wo medium din be ma so yo sofo ani matunu din Revelation ebi na make tell say yewura eye Kwame Wade oko school wo benkum wodu form 2 ho no mo oja school no akoye business ene okuraja yewura kebi ba mi bisanse onimu nana kebi so do wudi mo bia okwa wodi mo bia everybody sani akroba ya hye no mama nwumira aya na tension wo high architect o around na thank you. Hello. Woo! Yatiche. Dozy was no there. Oh, hi, Inyo, Arrow. Yeah, baby. Sa. Mo. See uncle. Esio abrobro ne brofo eye water beat stone. Esio abrobro what mean your team remaining where he is. Aje Madogba na mkata la Yesu Kristo nkoma aworo fifilare. PC Annex abeta ne emariwa ni nyina michiamo. Montren Lampard episode for Sabre, you know. Agoko asense hen jumping and as a hen resemble Agoko asense Munyamio Bemi ubio Bankwatia JDK Adum Enterprise Fantu anywhere na ewie say episode for say baby o dan na dubia no obetumi ewie wose brana so ye ewo mampo akuapem kwafu kase ni mu ha one tete kwashi Memorial Hospital ne die no hwe upper cement iron rods and nadwa iron and galvanized pipe square pipes round pipes angle pipes of a flat bar. I don't want you one more rods I go do nyina quarter rod full rod half rod so bana so ye one mu a obenya bre anywhere di eye nkomo no aboa ma odan watumi awie obi sofi omi sasika ani mpanyin nkwe na mko group mpanyin gro 0244 42 95 33 0244 42 95 33 and of 0244 857 874 beslewo 0244 857 874 JDK Adum and as the phone nyina hene ba akwa no me no ka say the man with the romantic voice what can I say Na sana yebeko eye solo so no. Yanko school kakra. Yanko school na yanko sua de kakra. After school yeah. School is good. Abere bebe abebe abere cheche abeche Mr. Tofuma RPPY la pewa. The whole school you see yanspere eye konongo. Na ayere papa konongo. Na ayere. Yasi konongo so yanspere wo twi mu. Konongo. The teacher didn't what to brother kenenge. Kenenge. Only to make kelengege. Make us your kolungugu. And then they were found. Hey! You've carried yourself today. And Jesus, there is God. Oh. Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies, Loma Vista IPS. Samadaroma, Yanfire Manimro, Wamani Branch of Madio. One uncle Koshiadia, 100%. Which one is say, now go and him. One more a senior high school courses in our home, a business, science, general arts, home economics, visual arts, technical, vocational, and a fair remedial class now. The children of deck, you know. This one we are dear papa hormone, and your teacher for one more quantitative, qualitative analysis. What is agriculture? Van der Waal forces. Demand secret. One more training, come on. One more horse, come on. Then I couldn't do one dance here. Madarumo and a double track system. That's why Juma. One more a hostel. Come on. Sissy, my dear, my dear. One more number more. Additional Musia boom. 0246 246 875. 0246 246 875. And after 0243 976 685. Loma Vista Manfia Crapim. One day a police station and a bon chimo. Community center no sa. E go be Manfia a Obapa. Ofo 1. Me kwaba solo wie na ewuramu a Revelation bebramo yaw dabo. So nim yaw dabo. Ne papa ya Santini. Ne maame yokuapini. Ekuapim kro ofiso no mabetu din e de achirawo. Ene I go can see mono Hathayaspo player I a friend Achu Christian Achu ya papa nunya fo ba ko me boni din no bobo ni din se o hwe se bobo na bobo se le no Messi anti asem de na no na abo the man with the romantic voice atrase yem fa say Solomon,
the only mountain
our Bible mu. Solomon be a Yakopon said, and God gave Solomon wisdom more than the sand of the seashore.
Okay.
Yeah. Omani nyansa te se poanoanya. And Martin me too. A Solomon na hindi. One na ura na hinfia. Ome gunsa. Oma mana duane. Oma kana pongo. Wa sheda sisi wamo.
Okay.
Aha. Wa sheda Solomon. Wa sheda sisi wamo. Entenya mwanwa. So ya brante wa body say what jana kama. What trap boy atum. Oh. Na wontama so ye nantwibin. Jesus, there is God.
There is God.
Solo.
The only mountain.
I tell you, my brand new.
As I Diego Subo.
Yeah. Where for a brand new one.
Where brand new.
Aye, and balcony.
Okay.
Yeah. African, you want to wow, who will be and few.
Be a wow.
Oh, my great because when you that.
I know the
I am a great yes. Okay, for the come back money. And the empires when we are not to idea and call be so pure that I can know ye.
Yeah. But sports na me dey ban dey asamba ko pen am be kan ma ko and udi kan so chance yeah so Ziggy the kan fa Christian Achu picture to Facebook ona yendi hon komo fa Christian Achu picture en fa to Facebook o na yendi nkomo pa yendi ho nkomo pa na ni nyina ne se Ghana ni abrantie Christian atwetwa sam osi akan wo Turkey league nim Hataya Sport boboko nim na owo wabo Chelsea da wabo Newcastle da of FC Porto ne ba Chelsea and I'm the call loan bebre clubs bebre Everton no nyina atwesi akan dia mo and I say wakopi mo Turkey Hataya Sport Endra of free bench omo league match Ziggy afema mi video no ni goal no ni free kick na o share no mami atu free kick no Ziggy mami atu free kick no
Ziggy obeye
so who ya producer ni yima na hwe
Solo I think Christian Achu reportedly left under rubble after earthquake in Turkey.
Yes. Asamni na me chira se ochi. Na Endra ni team ne ball of free bench e be ball 15 minutes. Na obaya no na ni team no bi anhye go. Na ya draw game no mo ball. And the last minute free kick by Achu and a page free kick na share e de ma Hataya Sport boboko no. Ziggy, me just saw the video now to so come. Now, yeah, at this time you'll be a quad die, no. Dimai. I had them now, and we are Uramano.
So, the Canadian said, Mensaka Achu was in action for the club over the weekend in their victory over Kasim Pass in Turkish top flight with the Ghanaian scoring the only goal. The only goal.
Oh, they go Facebook. Ni go no share ne da ho ube hu free kick pa no page aye pa na edatena na ahemachi asat 4 a.m. ewa Ghana 4 a.m. ahemachi ewa Ghana ana earthquake asase wo so esi e wo Turkey
Solo asase wo so na no edin
7.8
and the mammy suro no.
Emu dono 7.8.
And the mammy suro no. What's the name? Can't say bibi ho am suro 7.8 earthquake no. The magnitude.
Yes. 7.8. Ene tumi esi ye. Na o she ba bi esi ye na esi wo Turkey any Syria. Omo border so.
Aye.
And ade ni si ye. Na kura esi wo so no ye Maras.
Karamaras.
Yes.
Karamaras.
I want to know etumi esi ye 20 miles from Gaziantep.
Gaziantep. Yeah.
Krono. 20 miles. And uduani chire mu enipa me no ka say omawu ya confirm Mr. Sankro for the omawu no 1600 1,600 ena yenti atwu ho abamu no baby ade ni si ye no ehọ na atwu wo Christian atwu ebe pem enne ye hu no
sabre ye kasa nyina
ebe pem by this time ye kasa nyina ye hu Christian atwu enti Ghana ni bia utie no ogbo mpaya kai Christian atwu esan say emu ya den yayi 4 players e dey free ni team nim 4 players amonso no omko sha asase na asene yayi etime yi nipa mako 4 abranta ni de Burak Oxes ena Bentog Yindemel Karim Alesi ena fe Una Egon semrante we num na yatumi ayi o ma fi asase nim ase na Christian atwu ani Murat Bell and I feel one technical staff. Omo dey be pem na ye hu omo.
It's an atwu.
Christian atwu.
And one technical staff.
And Abrantia ni dey Murat Bell. E be pem na omo dey ye hu omo.
Ye numbers di no.
Over Facebook Ziggy ni na egugu kro number bia ade ani see ye no. Ni na o Facebook. Point na see ye no.
Facebook was it, let's pray for Achu.
Yes.
Ghana's forward Christian Achu has been left under a rubble after an earthquake in Turkey last night.
Yes.
Aye.
Na abrantie bi so ye Ghana ni osi akan o Turkey wo. Ono esi akan de ma Bobo Kwan de Brudaspor.
Okay.
Na o ye defender ni de Musa Mohammed. Ono no confirm Christian Atwu yi no. Se ade ni si ye no, omo frɛ Atwu of phone so. Enko.
Se na dan na ye no so.
No. Videos ni
so
na.
So Osha, one more wo who say floor no last one no.
Yes.
Omo tumi survive kakra.
Last one.
Yeah.
Last floor.
Nidi kan no.
Okay.
Omo do tumi survive kakra.
Denti.
Osha who say ho no no achiachi keke. Ebi yise bibi wo obi wo ho ene bi obi wo.
Who say dan ejiri fi ase.
Yeah.
Ase ni jiri.
Oh, say e ba ne sakura de enye ho. Ene epim bibi e betumi aloko kakra. And when they say e betumi ahya ase o. Who say asase wo so na e ba sa e wo so na bob chokro. Oh. And what about the nata zigin fa map no ntusu me hu kro bi. Mo say ase nkra ho na nkoya.
Map no wo.
What's my home konya o?
Okay.
Na say corner say twi dem say.
Sa corner o baby.
Corner.
Lebanon, Cyprus.
Okay. Konya.
Yeah.
Only e kan kay konya.
Konya. Enti baby aye kokko no. E wo map no so no. E ho no mo na ade na si. Baby aye kokko no wo map no so no. E ho no e na earthquake no. Enso asi no.
Kokko na bam no e kam niema. Kam niema bebre. E betumi aba se atwo betumi anya nkwa. Ebi abo ontumi mo bio.
Me dey say me hu no.
Betumi anya nkwa.
But ball no.
Ontumi mo bio. E na betumi aba se ebi ana ya ntene nkanso bio. O ya se. Okay, Joshua 2:18 one more. Bra Nyankopon ekuyi Israel fo na dwoba ko a oba bi e frɛ no eye Bashiba Rahab. Okay, mo say momfa ntam kokko nsen mo mpoma ya no na oha ne badam be yi mu a ha na mekai mo. No se ne wan nyi bi no ne moja no hwegu a no abedi ho fo. Ti kokko de si ana ya na ha dwen muja asomna ya na ha adwen
o hwe go a wo be hye ye pa
na hwe go no hye na blaster fo nya strikers na atwi ni ho
go free kick a wo hye ye baby abo ne da ene se ne obo ne hye
ene medwura
ene ni ja wo de man team no na de chen ye ade we yesi
medwura ho me say papa ni e describe atwu e bro bobo ma blaster no say e Ghana's Lionel Messi
Obia mna Facebook. Why we say yen bia o dia fa smartphone no, bra Facebook, bra be sha de videos no okoye nam so a earthquake yi see ye. Ni na etwagu. Atugo a wo share endra na de chin ye. Asase wo so amene Christian Atwu no. Ni na ho.
Enti solo Ghana ye league no, ni etua ne ka kese pa be sesen.
Ye league no.
Ai, ni Ghana league na ye bono. Kotoko has ayi ma ni etua ne ka kese pa. Any $5,000 a month. Ghana player bi anu oje $5,000 a month. Solo? $5,000.
Ye wa Premier League club ye bo winning bonus omo bo winning bonus no. Omo utia 40 cedis 60 cedis de my players winning bonus 40 cedis 60 cedis club
kwa me baka bi kakra
owo krom ha ori kura wa league nim
kwa me yeah me ba na ma boto but o se adwuma ne ho e se o kanya ho
ya yura
me ra ho papa
ya yura ho pa
ya kanya me kura se o si atwu ho ana ko fa players ko bo world cup yi Kwame, bika krabe so a football here e dia sa me ko South Korea.
Demand with a true issue no still na yenya bompa say.
Yeah, bompa pa.
Yenya no bank
pa.
But news are made one top journalist in Turkey in Twitter what tweet no and shame crying you know. We should hope and pray.
Solo assassin na crackers are no.
Yes, 7.8. ne dono ene tse
yeah
adina no ye den fa no no
Kwame Nkasa na
nanka yanya enkranhye na say in some day ni ya no ye say 4 players na omo ball club achubo no yet me rescue omo no na abofra ba consume but we numbers na ba in terms of nipa ewu na anodin over 1,000 people and then yet ma hwere omo nkwa Turkey. And I say, I know I didn't, but send an American, a top journalist from Turkey, to it. I'm about to Kakra. Ocean, I don't want to read about it, but Ocean, rest in peace. Yeah, they are rest
in peace.
I don't want to confirm. I'm better confirm it, but send a rescue team. They go so motion. The union of Bompa say, "Yeah, brother, Christian Achu." And so, Ocean video now, series of video from different angles. And
Ocean Moloro, Quaipa, Quanimatimia channel. You had the idea. Oh, Jesus Christ. Where are we?
Quality quota power.
Where are we? I'm to Africa. I'm the coy.
But the boy, we shouldn't. And yet, Achunkwana no, I care you. Achuti more Nema women side.
No.
Are Ghanaian players are almost the same vicinity. There's this one player, Obaba called Priscilla Archery. On John Marcus signing partnership deal.
We are
trying to reach. And also the bomb is on so no. But any news from the team side, you know, HSM money is safe. But we want to get in touch with her. Now she's safe. We are also hoping and praying for about press launch. But of course, Tuna Nidino, but still now let's hope and pray.
Solo Kamaje, but not yet press a World Cup, not a Chuno.
Sometimes no movie encore Turkey. I think no somewhere in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, Chelsea no.
When you agent to be about Black Star,
it's not about not having agent, but sometimes to be honest, once the Black Star do football, we deal with form, and to be honest, as at that time to me. Now, because all the wingers are not compare.
If you want more from crowd than
yeah, so Joseph Pinto crash you go and
Kwame Nai Solo say Ghana Premier League and news of my crash say go to pure baby my China for Ghana for ya to me a good baby. You to me $5,000 into your player car.
It's not about having $5,000 into your player car. The league itself, you know, we top 100 leagues in the world. Ghana Premier League account. Africa we 10. Ghana Premier League account. Tanzania League HIA. Sudan League HIA. Tanzania, Sudan. Now Tanzania for some better players wako.
Ziggy top 10 not also.
They pay them $10,000, $15,000 a month.
Ziggy Yasrawa for top 10 African teams league
no talk about our league. They are a bunch of criminals and hypocrites and they lead a football no. So I just don't want to talk about it.
I don't want about more. I don't want about more.
Because depending be the football, they are criminals. They be criminals.
Solo.
How can you go?
Adebakwe besi a Ghana football. Me should pew say Ghana player ko ball Rwanda.
Rwanda. Other Ghanaian players or
me review.
There are players in Ethiopia.
Top 10.
Yes.
Strongest league in Africa after 2022. International Federation of Football History and Statistics.
Yes.
Egypt 1. Algeria.
What? They're also 13.
Morocco. Sudan.
Tanzania. World ranking.
And in Egypt, Africa, number 1.
Yes.
World ranking also 13.
Yeah.
Algeria, not also World
yes.
20.
Yes.
Morocco, also South Africa.
Yes.
World not also 24.
Yes.
Sudan, Sudan Khartoum, maybe ya bomb. Now, to cry kofa machine, but bomb na no be say embracia. Africa
best players in our league.
And best players, the boy. The former head coach of the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Coach of Al Hartoum now. There's a club called Al Hartoum. Because
Zambia to do. We are seeing in Tosso 79.
Yes, it is a Zambia not to do Africa to 79. Ghana in the top 10. We are also the league.
Me check the Ghana 130 something. 139
leagues in the world. The Ghana Premier League account. The reason that young counts, I'm saying our football is being led by criminals and hypocrites, greedy people in this country. Go to Morocco. Morocco a hosting Club World Cup. And now go and look at the Moroccan national team complex. Moroccan national team
documentary.
Our national team is busy. Besides the Black Stars of Ghana, you will be an you buy the hotel, we pay bills. How many years in your hotel? Kadiama the senior national team. Yeah, appointed coach or the hotel. How many years in the Black Star coach hotel at the Mano? So can't you build an apartment and say when the Black Star head coach, an apartment coach be appointed to lead the Black Stars? Or that you see 5-star hotel. What kind of nonsense is this?
Abuaji Enoch was so sad to hear this kind of news.
It's sad. Now I don't want to say the country Oman is serious. They say serious a year for Oman and Kasa said we are fools. The country. Because at times when you think critically, now your analysis in your own say we are refusing to think as a country. How can a whole country go for a World Cup, spend $25 million? Morocco,
$132 million.
What I mean about that's 2022, the whole year from January 1st, 2022 to 31st December 2022. 1 year, Kaya ball on our national team. Wow. And the national team. And Black Queens and the Black Stars are spending $142 million. Morocco World Cup. Sikonya World Cup, including sponsorship money, $32 million. Only in Morocco, Babe. Or see sports complex. Either France or Spain. The reason why we see is Obeson Kofa and Kwaranka of African descent, and as a Moroccan descent, they train you from Morocco culture, and show Senegal or be new to my Obama national team. Almost best on Metriana, Akurana, you know, nothing convincing Boma as a Odonu Kraya. Anyway, this is what we call vision, visionary people. They think, not our leaders.
Onim, they be Americans in Yamia Yamami Bia Medanasi. Medanyamia si pop obi o temi bi ntem yie medanyamia si pop baby odi me free baby odi me do ne man kitikiti bi ba se yakopon ye me bibi nipa de yakopon anya de no kura de ye ba akopɛ
anyo so ntumi blame no
oban bi na kana so yakopon
metumi aka
yakopon ma ye bibia nipa pe no wa ma oman Ghana o ma ye bibia nipa wa ma ye nipa cause we are not thinking
Mr. Jonathan abepo bi ka kire
we are not thinking as humans.
Abepo bi ka kire
we spent $25 million in just 1 month. 2 weeks, not 1 month, 2 weeks.
$21 million, 1.3 trillion Ghana cedis.
2 weeks. In 2 weeks. The my individual $100,000. Say Kodi, walk up about 2 weeks, $100,000. Nipa ne mo enu muso. Sukufu onya dex so tra. And who call JHS 1. JHS 1. They say what dex ever school. What kind of country is this? What kind of leadership do we have?
You must say KB, but the program be by revelation. Why na? Me ko best point jabete so. Kakrakapa. Kano, massa.
It's sad.
I had drink kromu ha.
Yeah. Abraham what Menka Mountains, a program be kukru. Me say opanyi ba ko a high car. Say me tam enfami sini enfamemra the office. We do us enfami kotum.
Share.
I'm telling you. Master Kufu and a Jimmy. Bisano. Master Kufu and a Jimmy. Solo, if you say fire man penny for you know. Now they be a be a one or I'm a be pija. Now I check. Me anything I go for my mema for. I don't mind. Me what you miss can I any Ura Pablo and then NDT for organizer. That's right. Yes. What chemisika? And yes, yes, you. What friends is your becatcher? What chemisika? An incident be see me do red results of Pablo one yard. Mina me catcher. I tell you. When we have from the other massy 10 minutes time about Papa Banner anymore. And the actually uncle someone per match to come to say the checks in the Mr. Number and run number on the net.
I don't want us to go there.
Number net call na solo di 2 muno. And then I'm seeing through. Yeah, the one says you are for does it? I didn't crash here. So.
We are blazing.
Yeah, whoa. Yeru amano, naso yeru tumaka. Mama
97.1. And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
I don't want watching a woman, or don't fair watch no more fine. You was in front of me, or by yourself, who will be here. I want to say, I want Patia, I blame you. I'm back there, Missy of Bell Cabo, of Bell Cabo. Apapatia, my brother. So my such a witty to Pratim Park. Oh my, Seven of Pimpa, and you are so. They didn't do them one. Guapano, I want not in the football. Sakana Wanta, Jano Monko, Ubiara Manu Susupia, Ubiara Manu Botono, although way, so you won't go, you won't go. Apapatia, Apampawa, Bessie on Belcabo, on Belcabo, Apapatia. My brother. I am a sorry for Bahukawa, that's so funny, Jana, also Kasha, Nadamasamo, if you two are Fire Radio 97.1. Piano, on our Sunday, Ramazo, Antoyo, on your own. So you papa, Yamido, yeah, shall we suppose? I wouldn't know. One uncle, so, Fato,
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mama Zamo, Inyanto Anyenjo,
and 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.